Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you all are fine. We are going to start new chapter today, which is unit number 6, fractions, and that is from page number 91 to page 100. So let's start. Open your book, page number 91. Okay, we are going to study about equal parts cutting in half. Okay, so you have to take a rectangular sheet of paper and if you fold it down the middle like this, आपने उसे इस तरह से fold करना है कि उसके ये सारे sides जो है वो touch कर रही हों ताकि वो equally जो है वो fold हो जाए दोनों side से. And when you will open it, there will be a line drawn here and it divides the paper into two halves. This is one half, this is other half. So this part is called a half. So two halves make one whole. And how do we write a half? We write it like this, 1 by 2. This one tells us about a whole, that one whole is divided into two equal पार्ट्स. जो नंबर यहाँ ऊपर लिखा होता है that is called numerator और वो हमें ये बताता है कि हमारे पास टोटल जो है वो एक शीट ऑफ पेपर थी, जैसे यहाँ पे एक शीट ऑफ पेपर है और उसे हमने कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया वो नीचे लिखा होता है, that is called denominator. So fraction is basically division, that into how many parts we have divided this number or this thing. One is divided into two equal parts. So this is called a half. Just like here a banana, this is divided into two equal halves. This halves. This cake is divided into two equal halves. Here this chocolate and then lemon. Now come to page number 92. Question number 1. These are the pictures here, and you have to take the objects that are equally cut in half. So is this cut in half? No, this piece is very small but this is very long. So this is not cut in half. So you will not take it. Is this cut in half? Yes, so you will take it because this is cut in half. Is this watermelon cut in half? Yes. Is this crayon, is this color cut in half? No, it's not. So you will not take it because this piece is very long but this is very small. तो ये equally cut नहीं हुए तो ये half नहीं है. क्या ये दोनों half parts, ये half है? No, ये long है और ये small है. So this is not a half. So you will not take it. Is this half? Yes. So take it. And this is not a half. So two halves are two equal parts of a whole. यानी एक पूरे चीज के जो दो equal parts होते हैं, that is called a half. Now in question number 2, you have to tick the shapes cut in half, color and write 1 by 2 in correct place. First one is already done. So is this cut in half? No, this square is very small and here it is rectangle and it is very big. So this is not a half. Is this half? Yes. So you have to take it and you have to write 1 by 2 inside and you also have to color them. Again, this is half, this one is a half, and that's it. So all the other pictures are not half. You have to color only these three pictures and you have to write 1 by 2 inside them. Now come to page 93. Look at these corrections. Draw a line to divide them into halves. अब ये इतनी सारी pictures हैं और हमें इनको half में divide करना है. For that we will have to count. First we will count these butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the half of 10? If we divide them like this, now we will count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 butterflies in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 5 butterflies in this group. So we have divided them into two equal halves. Now we have to divide these candies here. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the half of 12? That is 6. So we'll divide them like this. Now you have to count these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is the half of 14? It's 7. So you have to divide them into equal groups so that there are 7 pencils in each group. 1 group, 2 group. Now count the pencils. Are there 7 pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So this is how we have divided into equal halves. Now you have to color only one part. You have to color this one group, you have to color this one group, you have to color this one group. Now come to page 94. Okay, you have to do this page by yourself. What you have to do is you have to draw a line to cut these shapes into half from the middle. You can use scale to draw lines ताकि ये इक्वली दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाएं और फिर आपको ईच हाफ में, हर फिगर के ईच हाफ में कलर करना है. यू हैव टू डू कलर इन देम. एंड सिमिलरली इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 यू हैव टू जॉइन these dots you have to join them and you have to color them using different colors. एक साइड पे different color हो और इस साइड पे different color हो, just like it is done here. It's dark, it's a little light color. You have to do colors on your book. Okay, now come to page 95. We have done studying about halves. Now we are going to study about quarter. Okay, half क्या होता था? 1/2. When one whole is divided into two parts, that is called a half. But when one whole is divided into four equal parts, that is called quarter. That is called quarter, just like it is done here. This rectangle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. तो जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट एक फिगर को हम 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करें तो फिर वो हाफ नहीं होता, वो क्या हो जाता है? वो क्वार्टर हो जाता है. So just like it is done here we have here this melon is cut into 4 equal parts. Chocolate, this wood, this cake. So every object is divided into 4 equal parts here. So this is called quarter. तो जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो that is called a half. और जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो तो that is called a quarter. Now come to page 96. Okay, you have to take the shapes that are divided into quarters. तो हम काउंट करेंगे क्या हर शेप में 4 पार्ट्स हैं? क्या फर्स्ट इसमें 4 पार्ट्स हैं? नो, सो वी विल नॉट टेक इट. इसमें 4 पार्ट्स हैं? 1 2 3 नो. 1 2 3 4 यस. और 4 पार्ट्स सब इक्वल है एक दूसरे के, सो वी विल टेक दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. क्या नेक्स्ट फिगर में 4 पार्ट्स हैं? 1 2 3 नो. 1 2 3 4 यस. सो यू हैव टू टेक दिस वन. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन? 1 2 3 4. यहाँ पर 4 पार्ट्स तो हैं लेकिन वो इक्वल नहीं है. दीज 2 पार्ट्स आर बिगर एंड दीज 2 आर वेरी स्मॉल. सो this object is not divided into quarters. 1 2 3 no. 1 2 3 4 yes. This one is also divided into quarters, so you have to take it. Okay, now next question is, these shapes are all cut into quarters. Color each quarter in a different color, then write 1/4 when necessary. Okay, you have to color only one part of each shape. Just like you can color only this part and then you have to write 1/4 in each part. You have to do colors on your book very neatly. Now come to page 97. Look at these shapes. How much has been colored? Okay, now you have to write the fraction. They have given us objects, they have shapes and they have colored some parts of that shape. Here only one part is shaded, so we have written 1/2. जो shaded parts होते हैं उनको हम न्यूमरेटर में लिखते हैं, ऊपर लिखते हैं. अब यहाँ पे एक पार्ट शेड है तो हम यूँ लिखेंगे. और टोटल पार्ट्स कितने हैं? 2. Okay, here we have total parts 4, so we will write it down. And how many parts are shaded? Only one parts. यहाँ पे भी we have 1 2 3 4 equal parts and only one part is shaded, so you will write 1/4. 1/4. 1/2 because now we have 2 equal parts. 1/4. In question number 2, you have to join the dots, then color 1/2 or 1/4. The box tells you which. Okay, here we had 4 parts, so we have written so it's written here 1/4. Here we also have 4 parts, so it's written 1/4. So you only have to color one part. You will color only this part. 1/2. Okay, now it's half. 1/2 is half. It's mean you have to color half part. So this is half. You have to color this half part. अब यहाँ पे हम 2 quarters को color करेंगे तो वो 1/2 बनेगा because this is half. two equal parts. Okay, this is again quarter, so you only have to color one quarter, which is this. It is also quarter. Okay, it is again here it is half, so you have to color two quarters. जब भी half होगा तो आपको half figure में color करना है, तो 1/2 2 quarters के equal होते हैं और 4 quarters 1 whole बनाते हैं. It is written here 2 quarters 1/2, 2 halves 1 whole. Okay, now we are going to study about 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. It's mean that when one whole is divided into 3 equal parts, that is called 1/3. So this is called half, this is called quarter, and this is called 1/3. Just like it's done here. Half, when we have 4 equal parts, quarter, and when we have 3 equal parts, then it is called 1/3. Now this is a way of writing fractions. This is how we write fraction in words. We write the number we write above as it is 1, but we write the number that we write below as ordinal number. We have studied ordinal number before in your class. Okay, this one is already done, so let's do the B part. Here, how many parts we have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first you have to write fraction 1/7. Then you will write it in words 1 as it is, and you will write 7 as 7th. जैसे हम ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स को लिखते हैं वैसे आपने जो है वो नीचे वाले नंबर को इस तरह से लिखना है. दैट इज कॉल्ड डिनोमिनेटर. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. So the fraction will be 1/10, and when you will write it in words, it will be 1/10, not 10. It will be 10th, th. Okay, and in the last shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 total parts, so you will write 1/9, 1/9. Ninth. You have to add th at the end of the number that is written below. जो नंबर नीचे लिखा होता है उसके एंड पे हम th लगा देते हैं. 8th, 7th, 10th, 9th. These are called ordinal numbers. Now come to page 99. You have to name the fractions. I will write these 4 and you have to write these 4 by yourself. So first one is 4/5. So we will write 4 and we can write 5 as 5th, 3 6th. It will be 5 7th. It will be 2 3rd. You have to do these 4 parts by yourself. Now come to page 100. You have to write fractions. तो ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि शेडेड पार्ट्स को हम ऊपर लिखते हैं और टोटल पार्ट्स को हम नीचे लिखते हैं. So how many parts are shaded colored here? 1, 2, 3. So you will write 3 here. And how many parts are in total? 6. How many parts are colored here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Okay, you have to do these 3 parts by yourself. You have to count the shaded parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write 5 here, and total parts you have to count them and write the number below. Okay, this is all your homework. You have to complete all the work from page 91 to page 100 on your book. If you have to ask any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.